Good morning! What you are witnessing right now is the famed Tarak Ridge. Ang Tarak Ridge ay ayan po. And it's very comfortable campsite. You can stay there for days and not worry about anything. Provided that you bring all your needs like water. Wag pala, yung worries mo, leave it behind. Okay, that's Tarak Ridge. And all of this is Bataan Province. Just to give you a little bit of perspective, that body of water there is Manila Bay. So, on your left side, on a clear day, you can see the Skyway, Manila, Makati, the port area, Pampanga, Bulacan, Paumbong, and of course, Bataan. In fact, from our office window, you can see yung tubes. Yan. Hindi ko alam kung yan yun o yung nandoon. Basta may mga tubes doon eh. Power plant yon. So, this is Corridor Island. On the far end, or on the other side, is Cavite, where Mount Marami lies. Imagine during the Japanese occupation how it felt. And you were here and seeing the fireworks from afar. Nakakatakot pa rin siguro yun. So nanggaling kami doon, yung barangay, yung may mga kabahayan dyan. Inakyat hanggang dito. 4 hours kahapon hanggang sa ridge. Possibly another hour papunta rito if you're getting lots of videos and pictures. So this is the front side. On the right side is Kamaya Coast. Sa kabila yata Bagak. So check nyo na lang sa Google. But I'm just here to let you experience it vicariously. On the other side, we have Mount Mariveles, capped by those tasty clouds. Tingnan mo, yan ang Mariveles Peak. According sa ating very reliable na guide at kaibigan na rin na si Tin. Kaway ka naman siya. Yung natatakpan ulit na peak ng isang yan ang Pantingan. Yan. At ito naman ang Bintana. Ang ating kinatatayuan ay ito, Bato. Hindi, biro lang. Ito ang El Saco. So, north, east, south, west naman tayo. Ang west, makikita mo dyan ang Kuyapo. Mount Kuyapo. Sa bayan ng Limay, Bataan. Ayon sa aking source, makikita mo ang mga bayan ng Pampanga at Bulacan dyan. Of course, tama yung trajectory. Yung ating northeast, southwest, hindi yan base sa compass. Base lang yan sa aking perspective. Lahat naman tayo may northeast, southwest, morning week, Sunday rest, moon midnight, talk my song. I thought love would last forever. I was never wrong. Ayos. A pros from college. Nakikita nyo habang tayo'y tumutula patungkol sa pag-ibig. Nagmumuni-muni ang dalawang kabataan. Iniisip nila, paano na kaya? Paano na kaya? Tandaan mo, bata, in every season, season pa naman ang apelido mo. Nandyan ang Panginoon. Pwede! Siyan! In every season, nandyan ang Panginoon. Okay? Amen!